and Gino Santos!
Bukas na po ang showing May 1 in cinemas nationwide.
Wilbur Cross, everyone!
Hello mga kasama namin ngayon.
Literal yun ah. Few words ka pa rin? Man of few words pa rin?
Hindi. Medyo iba na.
Medyo umaba na.
Medyo makulit ako dito kasi character ako lagi, di ba? Depende sa character ko.
Depende sa character. Ngayon gusto namin malaman, sino ba yung character mo dito?
Ako si... Oh my God, ano ang pangalan ko?
Ikaw si Wilbert. Okay, pero ano...
Basta ako yung kababata ni Heaven.
Kababata ka ni Heaven.
Yan, na may lihim na pagtingin sa kanya.
Nako, may lihim na pagtingin. Yung Marvin fans dyan, nandito si Wilbert. Lihim na pagtingin sa character daw ni Heaven, oh.
Sana hindi niyo ako awayin mga Marvin na fans. Trabaho lang. Trabaho lang.
Ngayon naman, bigyan mo naman kami ng konting behind the scenes. Meron ba kayong nakakatawang experience?
Nakakatawang experience. Kasi, mga 3 lang ako dito eh. Mga 3 lang na scenes. So, hindi naman siya nakakatawa. So, wala akong masabi nakakatawa.
Pero yung behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. Wag muna yung wag muna yung sa mismong pelikula. Para secret muna natin.
Kung behind the scenes naman, hindi. Busy lagi si Marco tsaka si Heaven. Magkasama sila lagi sa
magkasama daw palagi yung Marco.
Hindi ko sila makausap eh.
Ganun.
Loner ako dun.
Loner ka dun. Wag naman. Also, we have Miss Pamela Serrana, Andrea, and Jacob. Hello po.
Good evening! Kami ulit.
Yes po.
Banate. Ayan. Hello! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Sonata Bernada. I'm so happy to be here and be part of this movie.
Hi everyone! My name is Isabel. Thank you so much for sitting down. Sana po panoorin niyo na po as May 1. Nasa cinema na po ito. So, sana po panoorin. Thank you so much. Good evening everyone.
Hello everyone. Sana masuportahan niyo itong film. I'm sure marami pong makaka-relate dito, lalo sa mga nagbabahan po dyan. Yun. Tomorrow again.
Alright, at this time, gusto natin malaman kung ano ba yung mga respective roles nila lahat. Ayan ang mga kumakawalan. Okay, now, start from Andrew. Kaya sa Andrea, ano ba yung roles nila dito?
Okay, I play as Simon. Simon is boss ni Marco, ni Dino. Dino. And she will convince na to do more better sa career. So kaya medyo ma-confuse si Marco Dino if love for career. Pero sana magaling yung Marvel.
So, ako naman po si Ian dito. Close friend ni Dino, ni Marco. Ang office mate ni Heaven. Ayan. So, hindi ko masabi kung ano talaga yung role ko kay Dino. Pero yun, kailangan ang panoorin. Bukas na po yan, May 1 sa cinema. Panoorin.
Yes, ako naman po ang sister. Mommy ni Tino.
Meron ka ang sister.
Ako po ang kanyang mommy. So, meron kami dito syempre mga eksena na talagang nakapagpagod namin dito. Ako naman syempre yung mommy and son relationship. Doon namin may establish kami mga away, pero towards the end, let's see, meron kami moment.
Moments? Okay, makakabangan natin. Ano din si Andrea?
Okay, ako naman yung mommy ni Heaven.
unfortunately, may mga pinagdadaanan kaming mga challenges sa family. And yun, unfortunately, si Kevin yung talagang na-apekto because of that. So yun, panoorin yung aming mga drama scenes ng pagkarami.
Iiyak talaga tayo dito.
Yes.
Parang kailangan natin ng tissue pala.
Oo, sa tahon.
Dito sila makakasama natin, Sir Ben. Hello, we are at Sophie.
Hello everyone, and especially to the Marvel fans. Good evening po. Thank you for coming po today. And sana po ma-enjoy po natin lahat yung movie later po.
Okay, and?
Hello, I'm Sophie Jewel, younger sister of Kuya Marco Galang and Kuya Aizen in this movie. I'm excited to watch Men Are From QC and Women Are From Alabang.
Alright, they are excited. Ngayon, we wanna know, what's your role in this film? Sophie?
Ako po yung bunso ng pamilya for Kuya Marco.
Okay, bunso siyang kapatid ni Marco dito sa pelikula.
Ako naman po yung kapatid ni Ate Kevin po dito sa movie.
Okay, si Leah naman ang kapatid ni Kevin. Sila yung mga little sisters ng Marvel. So, abangan nyo sila dyan mamaya sa taas. Miss Giselle Sanchez!
Hello! Magandang gabi po dito sa SM. At maraming salamat po. Suportahan po natin ang Men Are From QC and Women Are From Alabang.
Yes, kaya gusto po namin malaman. Miss Giselle, ano yung role ninyo dito sa pelikula?
Yes, I'm Miss Dina David at akong terror boss. Terror boss! Anyway, that's my role. Actually, it's just a cameo role. Pero ginawa ko to help promote also Marco and Luan. Luan pa sa pangalan ng mami ni Heaven. So, close to Luan. So, wanted to, of course, sikat na sila. Pero, syempre, maganda rin makisama, diba? At, syempre, viva, kaya go, go, go.
Hello, hello everyone! Ayan po. Dahil isang buong team na sila ngayon. Ini-introduce natin sila as Univercada.
Hi everyone! Very happy to be here, especially to walk with Rob. So excited to watch the movie and I'm so proud of it. Having Marco and everyone else in the cast. Hello guys!
Okay, ano it?
Coming up, we're shooting the next university series, Chasing the Wild, starring me, Jessica, and I hope you guys will all stay tuned.
Yeah, just like I'm super excited to watch this movie. I know a lot of people put a lot of work into this. Marco personally knows that he's working super hard in this movie, so I'm excited to see the cast, everyone, the guys, the producers, everyone that took part in this movie. I'm excited to be part of the class and everyone else is here. And Garrett, where's something else?
This movie, actually, ginawa rin ako movie. Yeah, syempre, kasi tomorrow movie first, so really cool sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much everybody for coming, for supporting Marvin, and congrats also syempre to Marvin, to Direk Gino. Congratulations sa inyo, and thank you for inviting us. Sobrang masaya kami na nandito. And abangan nyo, malapit na namin simulan book 3, which is Hyacinth and Gab's book, Chasing the Wild. Malapit na po yan. And ayun, sana magustuhan nyo lahat yung movie ng Marvin. And maraming salamat po.
Gino! Santos! Everybody! Siya ang mga director ng pelikula ito.
Hello! Good evening everyone! Hello! Excited na ba kayo? Makita ko Marvin? Yan po, bukas na po. So, yung nationwide, from DC, we're from Alabang. Ako si Direk Santos, I'm
kasi malamig.
Yes!
So, this is a perfect day kung especially Labor Day ngayon. Bukas. So, bring your day. Okay?
Pero round time natin there. 2 hours ba? Alright, around 2 hours. So yung 2 hours niya guys, malapit na enjoy na tayo sa pelikula. Perfect talaga ngayon. And then, you know what? Makakasama na natin ang stars, ang lead stars. May message ba kayo for them?
Yes, Helen and Marco, I'm so happy for them. I'm looking forward to their next project. And of course, guys, don't forget yung mga yung University series tuloy-tuloy yan. We just saw Hyacinth, and may surprise ko next month. University series fans dyan.
Okay, yun pala, Direk, Vote 3. Si Direk Gina din pala ang Vote 3. Wala pa. After the film, merong importante yung isa pang series na abangan tayo. And now, everybody, let me introduce you guys the lead stars of the Beauty Queen. Mark, and Helen. Lakasan niyo pa ba?
Hindi namin narinig dito.
Asan ang mga fans ng Marvel? They are walking right here at the red carpet.
Host na naman.
Nagulat ko na ngayon.
Yes, hello everyone! Wow! Thank you so much for coming, and thank you for supporting Menor from QC, Menor from Malabang. Hello, thanks so much again.
Sobrang natutuwa po kami na dalawang screening ang meron ngayon. So, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. At sa mga may iwan pa ang makakapanood, sana ma-enjoy nyo po naman. Sana bigyan po ng pagkakataon. Maraming salamat po.
Sorry, network. Nabagat ko na. Ang daming sorry. Dahil sorry feelings ang nararamdaman natin ngayon. Kiniligin tayo, kaikilap tayo, at syempre pupulutin daw ang ating mga puso to their Gino. Dahil mag-uunahan na later on. And now, they are here. Marvel, Apollo, together with their director. And they are going to have a photo walk. Find everyone going on the main stage. Marco Gala, Evan Peralero, and the captain of the ship, Gino Santos. Okay, careful going up. Here's the microphone. Please greet all our media friends, vloggers, influencers. Of course, your fans are also here.
Yes, thank you for coming. Bukas na po, Milo and Menor from QC, Menor from Malabang. Now showing nationwide, TV siya. So bring everyone.
Yes, please enjoy watching Menor from QC, Women are from Malabang, and of course, yung mga press natin ngayon, and sa lahat po, maraming salamat sa suporta. I-expect din po namin yan sa mga social media, so sana spread the word po, tulungan po tayo. Thank you so much!
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Sobrang na-excite kami at sobrang natuwa, sobrang nagulat. Kaya sana mapanood nyo na po bukas lahat at sana mag-enjoy kayo. Kasama kung sino man, jowa, tropa, pamilya.
Kaaway.
Sige, enjoy guys.
Lastly, I just want to say thank you so much for Heavenly Angels and Marvin and Team Marco for coming and for supporting. Thank you.
How about a hand, everybody? Palakpakan naman natin ang ating stars and director. Your message for everyone?
course, friends, family, and loved ones. So thank you so much for supporting us. Kahapon napanood na po namin yung film, first time, and hindi ko alam, ako sobrang proud ako sa film na to. Sana matuwa kayo kasi binigay talaga namin dito yung 200%. At hindi ko mabibigay yung 200% na yan kung hindi dahil kay Direk Gino and kung hindi dahil sa aking kapartner na si Marco Cano. So, I would like to say thank you guys. Thank you so much for bringing out the best in me. And ayun, sana sabay-sabay po tayong tumawa mamaya and umiyak and kiligin. Marco, do you want to say something?
I'm admired on how every single time you just sound so professional. You sound so professional every time. But anyways, to everyone that came, I think I told you this yesterday, every single person that I know in the Philippines is here. So thank you for coming. I really, really appreciate it. And hopefully you guys get to enjoy the movie because we really did put everything onto it. Direk?
Yes, please spread the word. We're so proud of this film and it's showing tomorrow nationwide. And I just want to thank everyone behind the camera, Direk Gary, Hannah, everyone, our cinematographers, also our production designer Mao, our editor Nars, everyone who helped build this movie. I couldn't have done it alone, no? Madami kami. We were just like a tip of an iceberg. But ang dami namin who worked tirelessly day and night, no, just to finish the film for May 1. So please spread the word, tell your friends, mga kaaway nyo, mga loved ones nyo, your family, everyone, because paiyak tayo, magpakilig tayo, at magpasaya, at masaya sa sinehan kasi malamig. So thank you guys for watching.